We are pleased to show you the 2018 CX-5. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, cargo area light. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.